Welcome back to my channel. We're here at the old Nikola assembly plant, which they produced semi-trucks here, and now it belongs to Lucid. And you're going to notice that there's a lot of workers there. And this is shot on Thursday, April the 16th. Today is Friday, as I'm editing this and kind of going over. I did notice that there was a security guard and somebody was coming in at the facility at the time that I shot this. But as I observed around the outside of the building, there was absolutely zero activity. So what's going on the inside, I have verified that this is a product development place that they bought. And I should have zoomed in on those cars. I didn't do that. We're flying over most of the plant, and this is their test track right here. And one of the things I discovered that they are working on their second generation gravity, smaller. I don't know what they're going to call it, but it's going to be a lot cheaper. And originally I thought these were modules, but they've cut out some cement. Those are cement cutouts that they just piled there by the test track there. And I was hoping they were modules, but they are not concrete. I had to zoom in. And again, I'm flying about 400 feet right now. And I'm kind of going over, seeing if there's anything new. They still have some Nikola trucks there. And this will be the last time I shoot this. And as I mentioned, that this is for sure a Skunk Works facility. They are product development. There are the Nikola trucks right there. And they're developing their second generation gravity, a smaller version, cheaper version, because they've got very efficient motors right now. And I do not know what size the battery pack's going to be. I haven't got that information, but that is in development. And also has rumors that they're developing a truck. I don't know if it's a pickup or a semi, but I don't think it's a semi. I think it's going to be some kind of a pickup type of vehicle that they're developing right now. And the good news is that at least they're doing it, and they have the funds to do so. So we're kind of going around the back of the building, and not much going on. As I say, there's not much going on. And this will be the last time I do it until the fall, because we're going back to North Dakota here shortly, next week. So anyway, thank you for watching, and talk to you next time we get out here. Bye.